Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to be a Temu influencer. Either you're on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whichever one. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So this link I'm using here, I'm going to post it on my description. So you just have to go over to copy the description and go over to your browser. When you go over to your browser at this search area, you're going to paste the link which you copy on the description, on my description, and either you go over to Google, any browser you want, then go over to search it out. And when you are done with that, and this will take you over here, which is monetize with your Temu influencer program. So the criteria of this, for you to be an influencer on Temu, you have to have more than 1,000 followers, subscribers in any social media platform. So you have to have that particular amount of followers. So when you are done, when you know you have it, you just have to go over to apply. Now you going over to apply, they'll say you should enter your email address. You have to enter the email address that link to either of your, that lead to the accounts which you want to use on the Temu, either on Instagram, you understand, and Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whichever one you want to use. You have to use the email that is linked to the account. And then we go over to it, and you have to enter your password, the password of your email. And when you are done with that, you just have to go over to sign in, and it's done. As you can see, it guides all of it, and they say influencer program, seeding balance. Let me go over to claim it. This is the dashboard on it, and they say here is your any wallet, include cash and seeding balance. And over at this place, you're going to see the tax you have to do: match your skill, click to explore your anyway, post to earn, share to earn, invite to earn, upgrade to earn. So there are a lot of it here, and your earning is over at this place. As you can see, my balance here, I have 3,000 already, and my seeding balance is 44,852 naira. And if you want to invite someone, you can go over to here. You're going to see invite, and this is how you can be able to invite someone. And also they say post to invite influencer. You just have to go through all of this. Each, just like a tax, is a tax anyway. Each tax you do, you're going to get a reward. You're going to get a reward. You can do a video, and you can go through the tax, whichever one you think you can do, and you can go over and submit it. And over here they said this is the amount you have for joining and for inviting, secondary commission. So if you want to invite, just go over to tap on this plus, and you're going to see your link, your code, and other things that you needed on it. So if you want to invite someone, you just have to go over to copy the link, or copy the code, or copy the text for simplified sharing. You just have to do whichever one you want to do. And over here, this post to invite influencer, post following the guide to monetize your influence. And yeah, invite to earn easy program. So if you want to do that, let me go over to view first of all. And so this is the guide for your post, for you to create a video about it. A pay collaboration, referral and link, benefits, and this all of it. So just have to go through it. They have some other example. You just have to watch. Just go through any of that you want to do, and this is very simple for you to do. With the link which will direct you straight to the Temu website, I'm going to post it at the description, so you just have to copy it. And also I'm going to post my code. You can also use my code for that, and it's simple, very simple for you to be an influencer on Temu. You just have to go through the tax and have more than 1,000 subscribers. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.